2, Kilo actual. At the port now. We'll confirm when cargo's in my possession. Stand by.
Roger that, Kilo.
We're good to go?
So far.
This is a game changer.
Let's hope we never have to use them. Intibu hawale kom. Stay on comms.
Roger that.
دينا فرح أمك منيحة؟ هي قوية مثلك. يلا عملت كل شي طلبتيه. حويتك مأمنة والمرسق فاضي، ما في حدا غيرنا. والمينا؟ مسكر من امبارح. منيح. فرح أنا ما خصني بس قوليلي. هالهاوية أكيد كتير مهمة. أكيد. بعد كل هالسنين صارت أوزبكستان سالمة. نحن عم نعيش حياتنا. ترجاكي اعملي كل شي بوجهتك. نضل هيك. نحن كلنا معك. ايه أكيد. حويتك موجودة عندك. دينا! تبت! تبت!
Echo 3-1, troops in contact. Kilo's vehicle is down. I say again, troops in the open, taking effective fire from multiple locations.
Copy that. Hold your position. Shadow 01 to Kilo. Do you read me? Kilo, Farah,
This is Kilo. We were ambushed. Dina is KIA.
It's Coney. They're everywhere, Commander.
The missiles. They're going for the missiles.
We can't let them do that, Farah.
I need weapons.
Look for containers with the Shadow insignia. They'll have what you need to fight Coney.
You were shipping more than just missiles.
Plenty more. Lucky for you. Farah, get geared up before they find you. Think you're made, Kilo. Things seem quieter down there.
I'm at the container.
Copy. That gear gives you an edge, but there's still an army of Coney between you and those missiles.
I will not allow Coney to steal these missiles, whatever it takes.
We're gonna need a contingency. Commander, I have GPS trackers on my ship. You plant those on the missiles, we'll never lose visual.
I still need to locate the containers. Dina would have known where to find them.
Shipping manifest will be in the harbor master's office.
The tower.
Affirmative.
Copy that. Could use a drone to scope out the area.
Good find. Grab the GPS tracker and shipping manifest, Kilo. Clock's running.
Sighted your ship, Graves.
You see any of my people?
Negative.
Not what I wanted to hear. Tony's coming for you, Farah.
Making my way to the tower.
Solid copy. Oh, thing a damn beauty. They're hunting for you. Stay low.
Connie's got shooters on your boat.
Where we at, Kilo?
New plan, Graves. I'll get the trackers from the ship first.
That him the fuck. Good copy. Do what you see fit, Kilo. There's enemy fire!
I can't get aboard from the ground.
I'd wager Coney brought the senders to port. Should be some nearby.
Go to the sender! I'm on the ship.
The trackers should be in the control room on the bridge. Good kill, Kilo. Watch your ass. They'll alert the whole damn port.
Looking for trackers.
Go to the bridge. Check for the trackers in the control room. Good takedown, Kilo.
Moving to the bridge for the trackers.
Check the table. They're probably right there. They're looking for you. Keep it quiet. Trackers won't be hidden. Should be easy to spot.
Half the dead are Dina's workers. Urzikstan was free of violence like this. Connie brought it back.
Peace through strength, Farah. It's in your fault.
Graves, I have the trackers.
Great. Now get to the tower and grab that manifest. Sounds like they found you. Watch your ass out there.
Kilo to Shadow. Connie found one of our containers. They're taking it now.
Damn it. That's one missile gone for good. Only two left.
If the missiles are all headed to the same location, I can still track them.
Big if, Kilo. Hope you're right. Come on now, let's get that manifest before Coney does.
Approaching the tower, hostiles have it locked down.
There's enemy fire!
At the tower!
Tower's third floor office. Likely has the records. Coney's coming to get you, Farah. Expect heavy contact.
Third floor! Going for the manifest in the office!
I'd start with the desk. Manifest should be there. They're sweeping the area. Stay quiet.
I found the manifest, Graves. Graves, sending you the info from the manifest.
Got it. Cross-referencing with our container numbers. Okay. Got all 3 container numbers and locations.
Only 2.
Right. 2. Goddamn. Ultra-nationalists.
Tell me where to go. I'll plant the trackers on the 2 remaining.
Roger that. Let's get to it. Check the cranes. They may be loading out of one of those containers now.
Copy. I'll check high and low and find both.
Think you're made, Kilo?
Атакуют с тыла! Атакую! Зацепил!
Be advised, Coney's on high alert. They're coming for you. Thing a damn beauty. We gotta get those trackers placed before Coney pulls out with the missiles. Good attack, Farah.
On the move!
Set him the fuck down.
Containers stacked high! It's marked!
Second one's still unmarked. Get to it. Good kill, Kilo.
Looks like a mosquito drone.
That's exactly what it is. That thing will dive bomb with lethal precision. Coney's coming for you, Farah.
Mosquito is online!
Stay out of sight. Coney's on us. Sounds like they found you. Place a tracker on the missile container as soon as you can, Kilo. Vaporize shit now, Farah.
Pushing to the next container!
That's a confirmed erasure. Kilo, plant that tracker. Good takedown, Kilo. Good kill, Kilo.
Containers up above! stations, last tracker on. Coney's leaving with both the missiles.
Solid copy. You did what needed to be done, Farah. Make sure you do the rest.
Echo, how copy?
Loud and clear, Farah. Cody's pulling up stakes. They got what they wanted.
We live to fight another day. It's not over.
I go to Kilo. You clear?
All clear. Press up.
Roger. Coming your way.
سامحيني يا دينا. رح خليهم يدفعوا من بوعدك.
Commander?
Our missiles were meant to be a deterrent. Peace through strength.
It always finds its way back to this place.
It never left.
Russia wants this country.
They can't have it.
What's next?
Tracking those containers.
I'm coming with you.
No. Take care of our KIA and alert our forces. Tell them Russia's back in Urzikstan.
Shadow Company's got skin in the game. They're gonna want a piece of this.
True. There's someone else I have to contact first.
Милена,
С возвращением, Владимир.
ты создала для нас армию?
Дело выгодное и правое.
My comrades, we stand reunited! For your efforts in my absence and our success today, I offer you praise. И наказание. Иван, из-за того, что ты отверг мой план, мы потеряли драгоценное время. Время решает все.
Командир, я принял правильное решение.
Каждый несет ответственности за свои ошибки. Андрей, ты доказал свою преданность. Теперь ты моя правая рука.
Спасибо, командир.
My fellow warriors, I wasn't here, but I was always with you. Since then, our enemies have grown stronger. The ULF has stolen back control of Urzikstan. The time has come for us to show them the meaning of true power. This is a battle of perception. A lie flies while the truth only grows. If you control what people believe, you control the world. This is our weapon. And we will use it as a tool of war to restore glory to Russia. The real Russia! The West, they love their choices. They will have only one. To respond on our terms. Каждая секунда на счету.